This is Garden of Life raw organic meal replacement. What we have here is a meal replacement shake. It is organic, says USDA organic right on the side, non-GMO project verified, so no GMOs. Easy to digest, live probiotics and enzymes, vegan, gluten-free, made without dairy or soy ingredients. A healthy meal on the go, 20 grams protein. And this is the chocolate flavor. It contains an organic sprouted protein blends, and it's also got an organic fiber blend, an organic flavor blend, and then it's got a rather long, lengthy organic fruit and vegetable blends. So this is not just protein, this is formulated as a meal replacement. Loaded with 44 superfoods, less than 1 gram of sugar, 1.5 billion live probiotics plus enzymes, 22 whole food vitamins and minerals, 3 grams of organic fiber. I've been trying to lose weight for a while now, and I figured that what I was going to need was some kind of a meal shake in order to help me do it. So this is the one that I picked. There's the scoop. Now we get to see how well it mixes. I don't use those little metal balls on the inside. I want to see if it mixes just with a shake. Tastes really smooth, really well mixed. It has a little bit of a chocolatey flavor. I'm really impressed by how well it mixed. That's good. No bumps, no clumps. It went down smooth. I think I made an excellent choice with this Garden of Life meal replacement shake. I know I am going to enjoy it. I hope it helps me lose weight. I'm really, really glad that I bought it, and I'm really, really glad that I was able to make this video for you guys today. Now, if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, that's what helps me the most on YouTube. Leave a comment, that helps me also. And don't forget to have both a nice day and a nice life.